The naming story is very short. I was a big fan of Monty Python's Flying Circus. And in the Amoeba project, we had developed a bit of a habit of naming some important utilities after popular TV shows. There was a little bit of a rebellious nature that came through. I remember when I worked at DEC, for example, all the major systems in their computer lab had names from Greek and Roman mythology, which is a very classic academic naming thing, and the number of systems named Olympus or Kronos or whatever is uncountable. And in programming languages, I was aware of mostly two conventions, either acronyms, like Fortran is technically an acronym, ALGOL, algorithmic language, BCPL, which was an old language that is only known because it was the predecessor of C, was 4 letters that were some acronym, I don't know what that meant. Probably basic CPL. And CPL might have just meant computer programming language, I just realized. Anyway, the other convention was also name it after important historical figures from science or engineering, like Pascal, named, of course, after Blaise Pascal, or Eiffel, named after the creator of the Eiffel Tower. And I thought that was all a little pretentious. So I thought, well, Monty Python's Flying Circus is the opposite of pretentious.
Good morning. I'm sorry to have kept you waiting, but I'm afraid my walk has become rather sillier recently, and so it takes me rather long. Now then, what was it again?
Well, sir, I have a silly walk, and I'd like to obtain a government grant to help me develop it.
And it so happened that Python is also a good word to name a language, or anything really. It's a short word, only 6 characters. It's easy to pronounce. People know what it is, and it has a little bit of a sort of threatening, I don't know, that it has certain associations that are sort of fun to play with. And I always actually wanted to emphasize, it comes from Monty Python. It is not named after the snake.